Tomasz with Web for Actors here to give you a quick walkthrough on how to set up a send-only email with the new Yahoo Mail. Send-only email addresses are any custom email addresses you want to connect to your Yahoo email. Rather than switching inboxes back and forth, Yahoo allows you to easily select which email address you want your messages to be sent from. To add a new send-only email address, click on the Settings link with the gear icon, then select More Settings, and click Mailboxes. Next to the send-only email address, click the downward chevron, then the Add button, and enter your new custom email address. Yahoo will prompt you to check your email. If you are setting this up through Web for Actors, you will already be receiving forwards to your Yahoo email, so go ahead and click back to your inbox. Open the email you received from Yahoo, click the link in the email, and follow the prompts. Verify, then return to Account Settings. Now it seems like you're all done, but there's one more thing left to do. After you get back to your inbox, click Settings one more time, then More Settings, then Mailboxes, and Chevron. But this time you have the email already listed. Click on it, and you will be able to write in your name so that people you contact can see your name before opening the email. You can also rename the description or leave it as is. This is up to you. Click Save, and you're ready to roll.